Hi and welcome back to another Whiteboard Wednesday, and today we've got a really simple question that was sent in by Sandra of York, and she just said, which platforms should I be using as an estate agent, which social media platforms? And I've got a really simple answer for you, because there are actually 3 tiers and it depends on how much time you've got and how much of an expert you are on social media. So let's say you're a complete beginner and you're really just getting into it. Number 1 is Facebook. You can't get away from it. Facebook is the number 1 platform for social media in the UK for any business, and especially for estate agents, where you've got an absolute wealth of content that you can get on social media at any time. Facebook is your, or should be your, number 1 channel to be able to do that. So that's number 1, Facebook. Number 2, now this is a little bit more of a hedged answer, because it depends on what kind of business you've got, what kind of brand you've got, and what kind of person you are. So the 2 I'm going to give you a choice for the number 2 slot are Instagram and LinkedIn. And what I would say is, if you've got lots of large landlord portfolios and you're much more of a lettings business, I would suggest that LinkedIn is probably better for you from a client point of view. If you're taking photographs of beautiful homes, maybe high value homes, lovely barn conversions, homes by the lake or homes overlooking the sea, then Instagram might be a better choice for you, because obviously it's a very visual platform. But what do you like yourself? Where do you feel like your home is? So after Facebook, where do you naturally go to? If you go to another platform, where is that platform? Because the platform you naturally go to will probably be the right choice for you out of those 2, Instagram and LinkedIn. Once you've chosen your platform number 2, then your platform number 3 should be the other one of those 2. So that gives you Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn, or Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. If you've got any time left in the day, and there are only 168 hours in the week, then the next platform to come to will be Twitter. But I would put that a long way down the list, along with things like Pinterest and maybe even Snapchat. I would start off with the top 3, Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, they're your top 3. So thank you very much for your question, Sandra from York, and I'll see you on the next Whiteboard Wednesday. Bye for now.